Picture this: a factory with no workers, a restaurant where your meal is cooked, served, and cleaned up all by robots, a news article written entirely by AI, just like the one you're reading now. Science fiction? Not anymore. Welcome back to the Learning Studio, where we decode the biggest shifts in the global economy. Today's topic, part of our modern economic challenges, will explain how artificial intelligence, AI, and automation are transforming industries, the economic opportunities they create, the risks they bring to jobs, wages, and inequality, and what economists think the future could look like. The complete economics playlist is linked in the description below. What do we mean by AI and automation? Artificial intelligence is the ability of machines to learn, reason, and make decisions, from chatbots to self-driving cars. Automation is when tasks are performed by machines without human intervention, from assembly lines to software that does accounting. They're connected. AI makes automation smarter and more adaptable. Economic opportunities. 1. Productivity gains. Machines can work faster, longer, and without breaks. 2. Cost reductions. Businesses save money by replacing repetitive human labor. 3. New industries. AI creates demand for new products, services, and skills. 4. Better decision-making. Data-driven insights can improve efficiency in health, transport, and energy. Example: in healthcare, AI algorithms can detect diseases earlier than human doctors, saving lives and billions in medical costs. Economic challenges. Job displacement. Routine, repetitive jobs are most at risk. Wage pressure. Workers may face lower pay if machines can do their tasks more cheaply. Skills gap. The demand for tech skills grows faster than workers can retrain. Inequality risk. Those who own AI technology may capture most of the wealth it generates. Case study. The World Economic Forum estimates that by 2025, automation could displace 85 million jobs, but also create 97 million new roles requiring different skills. Famous quote: AI will be the best or worst thing ever for humanity. Elon Musk. Why this matters. AI and automation aren't just tech trends, they are economic forces that could reshape how wealth is created and shared. From factories to finance, the balance between humans and machines will define the next chapter of economic history. For economists, the challenge is clear: how to capture the benefits of AI without leaving people behind. Coming up next episode, Behavioral Economics: How Human Psychology Shapes Markets. Follow us on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Show icons here in editing for more bite-sized economics. This is the Learning Studio, where we connect today's challenges to tomorrow's solutions.